welcome back to Kelly Barlow Creations. If you're new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Until December 15th, you can receive 15% off of my stinking cute merchandise using coupon code KBDEC2018. You can find the link to my merchandise in the description box below. Today, I'm going to be bringing to you 3 quick and easy elf on the shelf DIYs that you can do that are going to cost just a couple of dollars to help your elf feel just a little bit more comfortable, or maybe have just a little bit more fun in your home while they're here visiting your little ones. So let's jump into it. Let me show you how quick and easy these DIYs are and how inexpensive it is. And I tell you, it makes their visits a lot of fun. For this first elf adventure, I will be using a green sheet of felt, and I'm going to fold it in half, and using a white chalk pen, I'm going to mark the halfway mark. This just makes it a lot easier instead of measuring to find your middle point. And using a ruler, I'm going to connect my 2 dots from side to side with a line down the middle of my felt. Then taking a paper circle that I had in my stash, I'm going to place it in the middle, and I'm going to trace the outside of it. And if you haven't guessed, this is going to be a soccer field. So on each end of my felt, marking 2 inches in from each side, I'm going to place a dot to draw in my goals. And I'm going to do this on both sides of my felt. And would you look at just how easily we made a soccer field with a green sheet of felt and a chalk marker. I thought it would be cute to make some goals for each end of this field, so I'll be doing that out of 2 different size popsicle sticks that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'll be using the larger one for the crossbar and 2 of the smaller ones for each side of the goal. And I'm just going to hot glue them onto each side. Then taking 2 more of the smaller popsicle sticks, I'm going to hot glue them to the back at an angle so my goal will stand up. If your Dollar Tree doesn't carry the smaller popsicle sticks, you can very easily just cut one of the longer ones in half. And would you look at that? How stinking cute is this? With 5 minutes of DIYing using green felt and popsicle sticks, we just made a super fun adventure for our elves for less than $1. For the soccer ball, I'll be using one of the larger marshmallows and a black marker. And I'm just simply going to put some black half circles and circles all around my marshmallow to make it look like a soccer ball. And the great thing about using these marshmallows is they harden once they've been out for a while. And so this is definitely something that you can keep over the years that you're not going to have to redo. Because my field goals looked a bit plain, I decided to paint them with Apple Barrel's Christmas Red, and using my chalk pen, I'm just going to put some snowflakes along the crossbar here at the top and maybe some candy canes along the side just to make this a bit more elf fun friendly. How easy and fun was this? Because we're a soccer family, we made it the soccer theme, but you could very easily make popsicle sticks as a field goal if you're a football family. For this next super quick and easy elf adventure idea, I'll be using a light green piece of felt that I fold in half. I'm going to take my scissors and just kind of cut a fun shape because this is going to be a putting green. And because I have a scrap piece of black felt, I'm going to cut the hole for my putting green out of this felt. If you don't have any black felt, you can always use a black Sharpie marker and draw and color in the hole. We can't have a putting green without golf clubs, so using some popsicle sticks, I'm going to cut about an inch off of one end of my popsicle stick, leaving me with this. Then I'm gonna hot glue it onto one end of a popsicle stick. And because I want this to be a bit more durable, I'm gonna place another popsicle stick on top. And to finish it off, I'm gonna place a whole uncut one over it, leaving me with a golf club or even a hockey stick. And because Alli has two elves, Evie and Elfie, that come to visit her, I'm gonna need 2 golf clubs. And again, how quick and easy is this DIY? You get felt for 20 cents, you buy a pack of popsicle sticks at Walmart or the Dollar Tree for $1, and you have got some fun new adventures for your elves when they come to visit your little one. And again, I used Apple Barrel's Christmas Red to paint my golf club, and using this chalk pen that you can get right now at the Dollar Tree. They usually carry these around Christmas time in white, gold, silver, and black. I picked up one of each a couple weeks ago. I'm gonna just add some snowflakes to the handle of this. For the golf ball, I'll be using these small pom-poms that you can get from the Dollar Tree. An alternative is to use a small marshmallow. These are such quick and easy elf-on-the-shelf adventure ideas, and I tell you, these are fun adventures that are going to leave those long-lasting memories with your little one. For this last super quick and easy elf adventure idea, I'll be using a white piece of glittered felt that I picked up at Walmart for, I believe, about 30 cents a sheet. And using a Sharpie marker, I wrote North Pole Elf Rink, put some snowflakes, some peppermint candies, and candy canes on it just to dress up the ice skating rink a bit. And I did pick up one of these pre-packaged ice skating outfits that Elf on the Shelf makes that you can find at Target. Fun fact, I grew up for about 10 or 12 years ice skating and taking lessons a few times a week, and so ice skating has always been a really big part of my life. So this outfit was a must-have, and so was this DIY. If you haven't seen my tutorial on this easy to do DIY elf stand, I will leave the link to that in the description box below. How fun and how quick and easy are these DIYs? And I tell you, I think your little one, when they see their elves playing with these DIYs, they're gonna have a lot of fun. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's get this video to 3,000 likes, because those thumbs up really do help my channel to grow, and it helps YouTube to notice me just a bit more. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy holidays, and bye for now.